Alright, so my next project is a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Guy brings it in and says that it's making a bunch of horrible rattling sounds. I tracked it down to behind the timing cover, and it actually has a bunch of slack right there. That's not normal. So I gotta take this timing cover off and check and see if there's any broken timing chain guides, or if the tensioner is dying, the chain is stretched, which I'm pretty sure that it's not the chain being stretched because it's got less than 100,000 miles on it. But yeah, take the timing chain off and see what I find. I've also heard from one of my buddies that's a Hyundai and Kia tech that occasionally on the 2 liters, which this is actually not a 2 liter, it's a 1.6 turbo, but they will see the pin shear off on the cam that lines the cam phasers up with the cam. So I'll be looking and checking that out too. But stay tuned. I'll give you something tomorrow and tell you what I find.